Let me show you a step-by-step tutorial on how I was able to achieve this beautiful hairstyle that you can see here on my baby girl's natural hair. So first of all, I'm going to be parting her hair into 2 equal parts. That's what you see me do here in this video. So after parting the hair into 2, I'm going to comb this side and I'm going to part out something that looks like half of a V shape. Just watch carefully, you understand what I'm trying to explain to you. So I'm going to hold this one down, then maintaining that line, I'm going to come to this side and at the tip of her ear, that's at the very tip of her ear, I'm going to part it out and I'm going to hold it down. Then I'm going to brush it out and of course I'm going to weave it or braid it or cornrow it, whatever you call it. But here we call it weaving, so I'm just going to weave it and I'm going to weave it all the way through the end. Then as soon as I get to the end, I'm going to just twist it. So after doing that one, this is what it looks like. You can see how beautiful it is. So we're going to be parting out the second one. Now for me to part out the second one, I'm going to part out a small V shape again here. The reason why I'm doing this is because I want to have an overlapping weave in there, that's overlapping braid there. So I'm just going to maintain that line and I'm going to do exactly the same thing I did to this other side. I'm going to part it all the way to the tip of her ear. So I'll hold that one down, brush it out, and of course I'm going to weave it just like we did to the first one. I'm going to weave it all the way through, then twist it at the tip of the hair. And this is the final look. As you can see how it looks, it's very beautiful. Now what I'm going to do next now is that I'm going to start with this particular side. I'm going to part out like 2 inches in width there. I'm going to part it straight. I'm not going to slant it or curve it. I'm just going to part it straight, and I'm going to have like from that side to the middle of her ear. So I'm going to brush it out and I'm going to divide whatever I have there into 2 equal parts. So after dividing it into 2 equal parts, I'm going to use rubber band to hold each of them. I'm going to use rubber band to hold it down. I'm going to be wrapping the rubber band like 4 to 5 times depending on the thickness of the rubber band. So I'm going like 4 to 5 times. So after holding it down, I'm going to twist this. And this particular one, I'm not going to be twisting it all the way to the end. I'm just going to twist it a little bit, and this one as well, I'm going to twist it, and I'm going to be repeating the same thing I did on this side. I'm going to be repeating it on this other side. So I'm going to part it out, brush it, divide it into 2, hold it down with rubber band, and of course twist it. Now if this is your first time of seeing our videos, you're welcome to our channel. This channel is all about beautiful hairstyles for kids and sometimes for adults as well. So if you want to be seeing more of these videos, do wait to subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell icon, drop a like for us, and of course drop a nice comment for us in the comment section. Thank you so much and God bless you. So after doing that, I'm going to hold this one down. As you can see how I'm doing it, I'm going to hold this one down as well. Now once I hold these 2 down, what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to leave this one. I'm going to pick this one and bring it to this side. That's going to create that crossing effect on the hairstyle. So once I do that, I'm going to hold it down with rubber band. I'm going to hold it down and I'm going to wrap it like 3 to 4 times. So at here, I'm going to come up by 2.5 inches and I'm going to hold down with rubber band. Then I'm going to tuck everything I have inside this place. I'm going to tuck everything inside. It's going to create this pop I don't know how I call it lollipop effect. So I'm going to be repeating the same thing on this other side as well. So I'm going to hold this one, and I'm going to pick up the other one from the other side, and I'm going to hold it. That's going to create that crossing effect. So I'm going to hold this all of them down with rubber band, and I'm going to be repeating that same thing I did to the other side. I'm going to hold it and I'm going to tuck everything inside. So after tucking it inside, this is what it looks like. This is very beautiful. You can, if you make this for your baby girl, she can actually carry it like this. For example, if they are going to school, I won't be adding this sweet design on it, but because they are on holidays, I just went ahead to add this sweet design on it to make it to be more colorful and beautiful. And if you look at the hairstyle, you know that I intentionally went for pink. Both the rubbers and the sweet, I want it to be pink hair. So this is it. You like this channel, you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, drop a like for us, comment and share it to someone that might find it or someone that will find it interesting. This is it. Thank you so much for watching. And my baby girl, she loves this so much. I don't want something that will be stressful for me and her. So thank you. Bye.